everyone, we'll be taking these sticks and paste them and make a frame. Now apply the sellotape over it and then paste the leaves and the flowers. Now after that, make few more as such and your frames are almost ready. Just paste them together and fold it. Tie them with the help of a rubber band or a thread and look, your beautiful hanging is ready. Next, we'll be making the beautiful helicopter. So take a paper cup, make a hole on it. Now you have to just fix its tail on the back using a paper. Make its front part like this, make a fan on the top of it. So you have to fix the stick like this on the downside and on the top. Now fix the fan like this using a paper and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking a paper, fold it like this from both sides. Now roll it like this, turn the paper and again fold it. Now fix a hard piece of paper in the between and lock it. Now make few more as such and join them together. Now make its base using a paper like this, cut it and fold it. Fix it on the downside and your pen stand is ready. Next, we'll be making a bow and an arrow. So take a paper, roll it like this. Now, after that, make few more as such and then we'll be cutting them and paste them together like this. Tie two sticks with the help of a sellotape and fix the rubber band on the top of it like this. Now take a paper and cut it and make its arrow and it's done. Next, we'll be making this bow and an arrow. So take a bow and an arrow and then you have to paste them together like this. Now take a paper and paste the sticks over it like this. In the front, we'll be fixing a stick on the top of it. Tie it with the rubber band like this and fix it properly. And your toy is ready. You can call it a bow and an arrow. Next, we have to take a red color paper and a green color paper and paste them together like this. Now put the yellow and red color paper over it. Now make the seeds over the red part like this. Turn the paper and draw the green color lines as shown in the video. Draw the lines carefully and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking the white color paper or a object and fix the thread over it and put the clay like this. Flatten it and cut it like this as shown in the video. Now put the yellow color clay on the sides to make the flower. So after that, make its stems and leaves with the help of a clay like this and fix it. Make its eyes, nose and mouth and decorate it on the sides and it's ready. Next, take a paper and fold it like this and press it inwards. Now fold it from the sides, turn the paper and again fold it. Now after pressing it from the sides, just fix them from the sides and lock it. Make a boat out of it like this as shown in the video and make a space like this and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be taking an egg and remove the yolk from it. Cut it from the top carefully and remove it. Now take small pieces of tissue paper and fill it inside the egg. Now put some water over it and then we'll be taking a yellow color paper, make a cone like shape and apply the glue and paste it. Make its eyes, nose and mouth like this and your clown is ready. Next, take a red color paper and fold it from the between and press it like this to make the creases over it like this. Follow the same step for the other side. Now take a red color marker and draw the lines over it like this. Make the heart shapes. Cut it out like this properly and open it. And your beautiful heart and star shape is ready. Next, we can make this beautiful object. So take a glove and then cut it like this. Fill the water inside it and tie it properly. Take a transparent glove for this. Now after tying it, make the frills like this to make a fish. Fix it in the water bottle and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.